Oh my gosh! I fell in love with Vianden. Yes, apparently the most gorgeous coastal town in Luxembourg sat right on the German border into the Moselle Valley. This tiny town has a medieval castle, cable car, and lots of riverside restaurants to watch the world go by.
Dito lang yan sa
Up
cable
until
niya.
now, I was carried away, and the experience was really great, and I just wanna go back there again to enjoy to the fullest, because the last time that we went there, it was a kind of a short time, so for sure I'm gonna go back there again very soon. It was so amazing. The experience was so fabulous. My gosh, it was my first time experiencing how it feels to be inside of the cable car. Though it's a little bit scary because in any moment I might fall down, and I was really afraid, but with my perseverance and my determination to overcome, I overcome that one. I always go beyond with my limitation. Oh, before this. Absolutely. This little town in Luxembourg was probably my favorite spot in Luxembourg. Oh my gosh. It's so really fantastic, and every bit of it I was enjoying the panoramic views of the town below as you ascend. The good thing of having there is you can ride the cable car up to the hill to the castle. You will see the whole view of the castle in Vianden, Luxembourg. It was amazing! I so love it! Perks of living closer to Luxembourg. You always get a chance to go there anytime, anywhere. As we are closer to Luxembourg, it's half an hour to go there. You go by train or you go by car. So that's gonna be like half an hour to go there. That's why you will see me a lot of times going there. Whenever I have time. Pero yung totoo, naluka talaga ng aking kabaglaan sapagkat naman ang Tanawin ay napaka-deserve ng aking kabaklaan na maaurahan ang kagandahan ng Vianden. Kaya pag uumapaw ng aking kabaklaan ay sobrang saya, walang mapaglagyan. Abot mula sa kasulok-sulukan ng aking kabaklaan sa aking igsopagos ang bonggang-bongga. Palibasa kasi, first time ko guys ma-experience na makasakay sa cable car. Alam mo, sa loob ng paninirahan ko dito sa Europe for 3 years, ngayon ko lang po na-experience ang makasakay ng cable car. Akala ko may experience ko yan pag ako'y nakapunta ng Switzerland, pero dito lang pala sa Luxembourg ko may experience yon. At syempre, I'm very grateful and very thankful to my ninang Annelyn for letting me experience the beauty of Vianden, little town in Luxembourg. Hindi ko akalain na meron palang ganon cable car. Alam mo naman si Akla. Si Akla naman ay laging on the go, anytime, anywhere, as long as available tayo. As long as naman na okay sa asawa ko, so rampa-rampa rin. At sapagkat malapit na naman ang taglamig, ang autumnness at saka winter. So sabi nga nila, i-enjoy mo lang ang life as long as wala ka naman Wala ka naman nasasagasaan ng bonggang-bongga. Enjoy mo lang yan, te. Enjoy mo lang pinakasimpleng bagay. Hindi kailangan maging hindi kailangan ng luxury sa buhay para ma-enjoy mo yung simple life. Ma-enjoy mo talaga ng bonggang-bongga basta pa nagagamit mo siya. O di ba katulad ng aking kabaklaan, super enjoyable talaga na ma-experience ko yung cable car na yan. Oh my God! Kahit medyo natakot ako nung una kasi pakiramdam ko kasi pakiwari ko baka mahulog ako. O di ba? Pero kapit lang. Sabi nga nila, kung ayaw mo mahulog, kumapit ka. Hanggat na may kakapitan ka, kapit akla! At dito, tinatapos ng aking kabaklaan ang pagkikipagrampa-rampahan ko sa Vianden. Sa pinaka-gorgeous little town in Luxembourg. Hanggang sa susunod pong muli. Much love! Say you.